Hello, good day everyone. My name is Tariq and I'm your instructor for this course called ISP 3026. Before to begin into ISP 3026, I would like to ask a question. How many people are familiar with MS Office? MS Office some people know about MS Office, some people do not know MS Office. So I have to explain what is MS Office first, and then we can jump into our course, which is ISP 3026. So let's begin and start with MS Office. What do you mean by MS Office? MS stands for Microsoft Office. It is one invented by Mr. Bill Gates, and here are the details of our Microsoft Office. So introduction to Microsoft Office, which is MS Office. Microsoft Office has components, means it has different components which we are going to talk about one by one in this presentation. Microsoft Word 2016. This is a newer version of Microsoft Word. We have the older versions. Somebody comes to me and asks me, sir, we do have 2003 or 2007 version installed on our computers. Absolutely, you do. That's not a problem. But in our lab, in our college, we are going to talk about the version 2016. So if you have 2003 or 2007 or even 2013, they are still okay. You can still work with them. But in our computer lab, we have version 2016. So what are the meanings of the different years, 2003 or 2007? As it says, an older version of Microsoft Word. Then we do have 2013 and 2016, which is 2016 is the newer one, which we're using in our computer lab. Microsoft Word always has a blue color and it has a W word on it. What do you mean by this line? Let's just take a look at it. Go back to our main screen and I'm going to show you what does that mean. So it has a blue color. Microsoft Word has a blue color file and it has a W on it. Without even clicking, without opening the file, you can tell that this is Microsoft Word file. It has an extension of .doc. So again, why it has .doc? Because the version 2003 and 2007 they have the .doc version extension, and the new version is .x, which is version 2013 to 2016. Microsoft Word, we are using it for the following things to do in our offices. The question is, in the exam, what Microsoft can do for us. So you have to pick up the best option because it's a multiple choice question. So these are the things what Microsoft Word can do for you in our offices. First one, create documents, resumes, cover letters. You can insert photos, videos, graphs, tables, and charts. So this is the brief introduction about Microsoft Word. Now, the second part or the second component is called Microsoft Excel. What is Microsoft Excel and why Excel is important and why we are talking about Microsoft Excel here? Guys, doesn't matter in whatever office you're working, Microsoft Excel is the basic need of any office. For example, you probably working for the government office, working for the police office, working for the college, working for the trucking company, working for a library, working for a pizza store. Doesn't matter. Microsoft Excel is widely used in any business. So here is a brief introduction about Microsoft Excel 2016. As I said before, it's a new version of Microsoft Excel. Our course focus is on Microsoft Excel. So you can imagine how important this course is because this is in span of 14 weeks. Again, some people come to me and ask me, sir, we do have version 2003 and 2007. Don't worry, that's absolutely fantastic. It's just an older version of Microsoft Excel. And then we do have 2013 and 2016, which 2016 we are using in our computer lab. Microsoft Excel is in green in color and it has an X on it. So let's take a look at it. What does that mean of this statement? Take a look right in here. This is a green in color and it has X on it. Next one, we use it for the following thing. It has an extension of .xls, which is version 2003 and 2007, and .xlsx, which is version 2013 and 2016. We use it for the following things in our offices. Microsoft Excel can do for us. Again, this is an exam question. So exam would be a multiple choice question. Out of these multiple choice, please pick up an answer wisely, because these are the things what Microsoft Excel can do for us. Microsoft Excel can do spreadsheets with the help of calculations. How can we do the calculations? With the help of formulas. The best example for calculation and formulas are our result card or the report cards. You can insert charts, graphs, tables, photos, videos, accounting presentations, hyperlink, and macros in our Microsoft Excel. As we proceed, we'll talk about one by one of all of these ingredients of Microsoft Excel. This is the brief introduction of Microsoft Excel right in our first class. Then the third component of Microsoft Office is called Microsoft PowerPoint. 2016, newer version of Microsoft PowerPoint. 2003, 2007 is the older version. 2013, 2016, we're using it in our course. PowerPoint always have an orange color and it has P on it. Let's take a look at it. So it is orange in color and it has P on it. Without opening the files, you can able to tell this is Microsoft Word, this is Microsoft PowerPoint, this is Microsoft Excel. Then it has an extension of PPT version 2003-2007 and PPTX version 2013-2016. We use it for the following things to do it in our offices. What Microsoft PowerPoint can do for us. Here's the answers. Again, it could be a multiple choice questions. And the answers are, the first and more important, we can do presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint. So whenever we want to do a presentation, this should be your favorite software or the component of Microsoft Office to do your presentation for your office presentations. You can insert photos, you can insert videos, you can insert charts, graphs, tables, and animations to Microsoft PowerPoint. So guys, this is what we are going to do for next 14 weeks. This is my plan to do next 14 weeks to do in our classes, Microsoft Excel. And this is why we called this as a course which is called ISP 3026, means Spreadsheet Management. So this is for the topic for today, which we are going to cover in our next 14 weeks. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions, please do email it to me at my email address, which is right at your computer screen. Please mark this email address, because this is the email address you're going to communicate with me for the next 14 weeks. You have two things to communicate. One, you can send me a message on Schoology, or you can email me directly your questions at my email address, which is assignment.tariq@canadahenson.com. Thank you very much again, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you and take care.